My video guide is about getting rid of the online scammer that is actually related to the website Yourdesktopsecurity.live. Yourdesktopsecurity.live is a new malicious website that may attack Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, and other browsers. This site, Yourdesktopsecurity.live, claims to be related to the well-known security program. However, in reality, it is not related to any decent program. Such pop-ups try to make you download and install certain potentially unwanted software. So you should not tolerate them. Don't install anything that they suggest, and don't click on allow button, because if you click on allow, your browser will be hijacked even more with intrusive ads that will be popping up. So to fix your browser, to stop these ads, and to remove other traces of malware from your computer, please consider investigating your system with the help of reliable antivirus software. I recommend you to use Combo Cleaner antivirus for this purpose. By the way, it is available both for Mac and for Windows computers. You may get Combo Cleaner on this page, combocleaner.com. Download the program, install it, and begin researching and investigating your device. Combo Cleaner antivirus will help you to detect and eliminate other threats from your system. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware, or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.